The challenge I've set myself for day 3 at Mystery Creek is to go and take a look at the Chinese ute market. It's a part of the market that's exploded in the last few years with Chinese brands coming out. We've got GWM, LDV, TE, BYD, you name it. It's an alphabet soup of brands out there. I want to go and see what you can get for $50,000, which is quite a gap down from where many of the more legacy established brands start. But there seems to be plenty of choice out there, so I think now's the best place to go out and see what you can get for your money.
First up, we've got the GWM Canon Alpha plug-in hybrid. It's powered by a 2-litre turbo petrol engine with an electric motor with a maximum of 300 kilowatts. It's a pretty handsome looking truck. It's got good road presence, and that's helped by the 18-inch blackened alloy wheels. They come as standard. The plug-in electric motor will get you about 115 kilometres on electric only. That's pretty generous for a ute. It's got a decent rear tray for a double cab, but more importantly, it's got a 3.5 tonne towing capacity. That was a big plus for the farmers that I spoke to at its launch at Mystery Creek. The GWM will set you back around $67,990 for this model, considerably above the $50,000 we set, but it's still looking to be very good value and offers a lot of ute for your money. Next was the LDV Terran 9. The big grille up front certainly makes a statement. This is quite a big truck. It sits between a Ford Ranger and a Dodge Ram for size, but it's packed full of features, including farmer-friendly upholstery. It comes with a 7-year, 200k warranty, which is generous. It's powered by a 2.5 litre turbo diesel, brings a welcome 3.5 tonne towing capacity. With a $59,990 including GST price tag, you'd have to put the Terran on your list to go and take a look. The BYD Shark plug-in hybrid has an electric Focus with 2 electric engines and a small 1.5 litre turbocharged petrol engine, and a 2.5 tonne towing capacity. It's an interesting ute. It's also quick at 5.7 seconds from 0 to 100. It, like the others, also has a very high quality feel about it throughout, and that includes all electric heated front seats. The electric heavy power Focus, but with a petrol engine in it, I think is a good move. It perhaps reflects a market that may always like to have a few hydrocarbons mixed into their ute power plant. The Shark comes with a $69,990 price tag, including GST.
It's been an interesting couple of hours having a look around. I think one of the things, of the brands that stand out, we've got the LDV and also GMW, Great Wall Motor, or known before as Great Wall Motors, and also the BYD with their electric Shark. Across all the vehicles, I think the one thing that really stands out and really seems to have a draw card for farmers is the 7-year warranty that's been offered on all these vehicles. That's quite a standout thing, and it seems to be giving a lot of buyers a lot of peace of mind. If they had any sort of concerns about Chinese brands before, a 7-year warranty is a pretty compelling reason to jump in and have a go at it. On top of that, you've got anything from a $5,000 to an $8,000 differential to what we would call the legacy brands, which is enough to make you think twice before you take on the conventional option of maybe a Toyota or a Ford Ranger, which have pretty much had the market to themselves for quite some time. Of all the vehicles I've looked at, I think I've got to say that the one that came out top is here, the Terran 9, the vehicle that's right behind me here. It stands out because of excellent towing capacity, 3.5 tonne. It's really well finished. It's got this really interesting long, thin dashboard screen instead of the usual iPad setup. And nice interior finish, sensible seating if you're farming, and a really sharp price at $59,990. That's including GST. I mean, you've got to look at that, and you add in the 20% depreciation allowance. You're looking at a pretty affordable ute. I haven't quite come in at the sub 50 that I thought I was going to with, but this is getting pretty close to it.